모든 게 궁금해. How's your day? Oh tell me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. 뭐가는 행복하게 하는지. Oh text me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Your every picture 내 머리에만 다 두고 싶어. Oh babe, come be my teacher. 네 모든 거 다 가르쳐줘. 잘 단순하게로 이제 여기 너무 높아 나는 눈에 너 맞추고 싶어. Yeah, you're making me a boy with love. Oh my my my, oh my my my. I've waited all my life. 내 전부는 깨하고 싶어. Oh my my my, oh my my my. Looking for something right. 이제 조금만 나아겠어. I want something stronger. 내 삶은 온통 너야. 사소한 게 사소하지 않게 만들어 부른 너란 눈에 하늘부터 약하지 모든 걸 제발하지 너의 가슴 상가림들이 마주와서 사한 작은 득한 두 가지 다 말라줘 날 먼저도 내가 욕은 누구라고 난 말라줘 엄니 자원 중부터 내가 안 좋다고 내게 앞혀와 No way 거대히 않지 so No way 그저 너 지킬 거야 난 boy with love. You say mama baby 나는 저 하나를 높이 나고 있어. 구단이가 나게 저 단순하게로 이제 여기 너무 높아 난 내 눈에 너 맞추고 싶어. Yeah, you're making me a boy with love. Oh my my my, oh my my my. You got me high so fast 내 전부는 깨하고 싶어. Love is nothing stronger than a boy with love. Love is nothing stronger than a boy with love. 착하냐고 말하게 나도 모르게 힘이 들어가 기도했어. 높아보는 스카이 가져보는 호텔 도망치게 달라며 기도했어. 너의 상처는 나선 척 기다렸을 때 나 다짐했던 것 네가 준 이 그릇이 나 그릇 태연이 아닌 너희가 let me fly. 내 전부는 깨하고 싶어. Oh my 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 looking for something right. 이제 조금만 나아겠어. I want something stronger than a moment love. Love is nothing stronger than a boy with love. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, feel free to do that and turn on your notifications so you can always see when I'm uploading. Like I said at the start of the video, I am not Korean. I've never spoken Korean, so I literally just learnt this by listening. So I'm really sorry if I got the pronunciation wrong. I'm sure I did in many places, but I did try my best. I didn't want to take the easy way out and do the English version. I wanted to do it in the original language, so I hope I didn't say anything really bad or anything like that. I'll leave a link down below to a free download of the cover. I'll decide later, depending on how good my pronunciation is, if I'll do an a cappella for you guys. But let me know. At the very least, you guys can have a laugh at me attempting to sing in Korean. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.